this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul, God get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard. On this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Hopefully my audio issue is fixed. I had a lot of wind and static noise last time. Even though everybody says they couldn't hear it, I could definitely hear it. That hawk right there, the fucking little bird following him, trying to catch another bird. It's awesome. Anyways, so today we talk about bucket lists. What the fuck? Car wash must be open. Your bucket list. I don't know how old you have to be to have a bucket list. I know I see videos of like young people, 20-year-olds have a bucket list, 18-year-olds have a bucket list. I'm like, motherfucker, life hasn't even begun to fuck you over yet. What the hell are you doing making a bucket list? I figure I'm old enough to have a bucket list. Now, I'm just kind of winging this. I didn't really sit down and think about my bucket list. I didn't plan it out. I just kind of, that's what I'm going to talk about today. I don't even know how many. They're not going to be in any specific order. Oh, goddamn fucking handlebars. God, I got to fix some neck bearings. Anyways, so let's start off with one. I guess that kind of brings up an ooh, I want to turn left there. Some bitch. Oh well, I guess I'll go this way. And I'm not really sure what really constitutes a bucket list. As in, I always thought about bucket list of what you want to do before you die and stuff like that, you know? I'm going to incorporate a few other things, I think. So let's just start it out. Okay.
Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch!
One thing, or one place I always really wanted to go, always want to go, still do, I want to go to Nassau. I know it's not like it was back in the old shipping, British controlled days, pirate days. It would have been cool to visit back then, but now I'm not quite sure how big of a tourist attraction it really is, but the history behind it is pretty awesome. So that's one place I really would like to go. And I know it's really beautiful there. It's in the Caribbean, fucking water's beautiful, shit like that. I'd really like to go there. I'd really like to visit Ireland. That fucking country is really beautiful. Hit up all kinds of parts of England and the UK and stuff. Since we have a lot of motovloggers over there, you get to see their land, especially where Bimble lives. I really would like to go visit Bimble and go ride some of his roads. Them roads are sketchy as fuck compared to here. I mean, they're almost one lane everywhere he goes. But the countryside is ridiculously beautiful. Oh, am I going there?
Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch!
I'll be blowing that shit out on the road, Grandpa. See here, where else? Not really a whole bunch of places I really want to go visit, especially in the United States. The only reason why I want to go anywhere in the United States is because just I want to go visit people. I want to go to New Hampshire, go see my best friend, Captain Granite. And on the way there, on the way back, there's lots of people I can visit. Mothman being one of the biggest ones I want to meet. Road King Jonesy, Six Pin, CM Moto is not too far from Captain Granite. Try to swing through and see two ATVs that are a little bit farther south than I really planned on going when I do plan on making this trip, which was already supposed to happen, but coronavirus. Woo! That one hurt. Damn, I wonder if y'all heard that one. That was a big ass bug. It hit hard. Probably shouldn't have this hoodie on. I'm burning up, but I want to make sure I was dressing for tonight because it's supposed to cool off a little bit. It's pretty nice out. It's almost 80 degrees. Look at that shit fogging up. Fucking Harley Davidson. Yeah, but as far as the United States goes, there's not too many places I really want to go because I've been a lot of places in the United States, especially east. Because when I was a kid, the family vacationed a lot, and I mean I've been to pretty much every single state north, south, and east of Missouri, with the exception of Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. I've been to all those. Nebraska. You gonna turn? You gonna think about turning?
Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch! Look at my crotch!
Let's see, what else? What else? Let's incorporate a few other things. Let's talk about, it's a bucket list, so it's something you want, right? You want to go visit these places. Well, I also want things. Hopefully one day I'll buy my dream bike. I don't know when, I don't know how. Captain Granite actually found me one up there by him at his dealership he goes to. It's a great price, it's the good year. And it's like, damn, I just ain't got it right now. And if I could come up with it, I damn sure would make the road trip up there right now and go get it. I really want to switch back to my variant. I'm getting kind of tired of this helmet. I miss wearing my variant. Anyways, but I'd like to buy my dream bike, which pretty much everybody already knows. It's a Ducati X Diable S. That is my dream bike. I like really expensive motorcycles with a lot of problems. That's what I like. So yes, naturally I want a Ducati. I probably would not drag race that bike. I don't think it would hold up to it. I honestly think it would break. That bike is made for going fast at high speeds in a straight line, but starting off fast, you know. I mean, you're talking, I know a few years ago they had one come out that had 175 horsepower, 172 miles an hour, and now you're not getting them that. They're knocked them down to 160, 162 horsepower. Still get some pretty good miles an hour out of them though. I would like to have my house out in the fucking country. I grew up out in the country, and I would really like to get back there. I'm tired of this city life bullshit. City life is convenient, you know, with stores and, you know, Walmart super centers, and I go to Target. I fuck up Walmart. Shit like that, you know. You live out in the country, you don't really have that kind of stuff unless you drive a little bit. I mean, you got Dollar Generals. And, you know, I'm not in the country right now. I'm out in Independence, Missouri. So, Independence, Missouri. But this ain't the country. Now, if I head back east, it don't take but a minute to get in the country. these two numbnuts doing? Are y'all riding together or y'all riding separate? Y'all riding together. You need to get this lane and let me go the fuck on.
Look at my crotch. Look at my crotch. Look at my crotch.
Oh shit. Lost my train of thought. What else is there? I'm really not a huge materialistic person. I really don't want much. Bucket list or not, I would like to buy a new, really fancy fucking camera. I'm just now getting into this photography thing, so I really don't know a whole bunch about cameras. But I got like one of them really super duper expensive, fancy zoom in and be able to take the picture of hairs on the balls of a fucking flea. That's what I'm talking about. Badass shit. If they're waiting to turn all the way the fuck up here, I'm gonna be pissed. Or they turn it on this road. What the hell? Well, that was pretty stupid, fellas. Put your turn signal on a fucking mile back. Thought he was gonna pull away from me, but old fat boy couldn't do it. That's alright though. They don't know this bike. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think about bucket list? You gotta be a certain age. You gotta can it only be like a visitation or travel thing? Can it be more than that?
Look at my crotch. Look at my crotch. Look at my crotch. Look at my crotch.
Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna go. Leave comments down below. Let me know what y'all think. What's your bucket list? Small one, not a big one in the comments. But as always, like, share, comment, subscribe. Please, please, please. Trying to hit that 1,000 this year. If I hit 700, I'll be happy. I think I'm at 576 as of this morning. Also, thanks for the support on this whole photography thing and adventure that I'm trying to take on. I know a lot of people already do it, but you know, I enjoy the support and I enjoy supporting other people doing it. Whew, hot. So, as always, again, please subscribe if you're not. Like, share, comment, tell your friends and family about me, because I know they all love me. Everybody wants to love me. Mothman's mom loves me. Until the next one, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.